How to contact Amazon customer support. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Amazon customer support. Click on the first link that pops up. In here, you'll find different options. You'll find all your problems and solution to it. But if you want to contact them directly by calling, you can use this number. As you can see, the first number is for USA and Canada. You can send messages or call customer service directly. And there are other options, which is Amazon Alexa in the US only. And Amazon Alexa outside the US, you can use this number. And this is how to contact Amazon customer support. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.